Does YouTuber really earn good money? Can one also earn money from Facebook? If you're still wondering, I'm very excited to have an interview with Gayatri, who is from Bangalore. She is a person who used to work in a corporate job and then left the job to take care of the kids. And while she was looking for a job, she started with Digital Achiever Sub Community. Today, she has more than 150,000 plus subscribers on YouTube. Not only that, she has also built her presence on Facebook as well with more than 90,000 subscribers or followers for her page A2 Crafts. So I'm super excited. Let's hear from Gayatri how this journey has been for her. How does it really feel to get that 1 lakh plus subscribers on YouTube?
It feels amazing. Actually, holding this award from YouTube only, it's very great. Feels so great. But I would like to say, every YouTuber at the starting point, they'll not be achieving to achieve 1 lakh subscriber, aiming for the 1 lakh subscribers. Everyone will be aiming for the 1,000 subscriber to get their channel monetized. Even I felt the same thing. My journey was also too tough at the starting. I started my YouTube journey on Feb 20. I uploaded my first video on Feb 9th. So it took around 6 months for me to get monetized. So till that, I have uploaded 73 videos. The 74th video was the one video that changed entire YouTube journey. Till then, I was just counting the number of subscriber each and every day. That used to be very horrible. I used to get only 2 subscription and 3 subscription. But after the 74th video, that day, my subscriber count was just stepping one after the other, one after the other. So that day only, I got 10,000 subscribers.
Oh,
So I
wow.
would say that 1 lakh subscriber achieving feels amazing.
That's great. So you mean to say one video actually does the magic? That's what usually we say in our course and the community as well, right?
Yeah, yes. That
So
one video, that magic video.
that's great. And I would like to appreciate your consistency and not giving away because the videos were not working. I still remember the initial interactions where you used to say, I'm not getting views, I'm putting a lot of efforts, right? You kept on doing that. So one most important thing is it's always about being consistent and doing the right thing so that you get the results as well. So great to know that you were consistent till you really saw the results. So that is at 74th video.
Yeah, that
Amazing.
is
Fantastic.
74th
Great,
video.
great,
Thank
great.
you.
And would you like to share what is your highest earning from YouTube in a month?
The highest earning from YouTube in a month is just no, last month only I have got it is $1,400.
$1,400. That's more than 1,10,000 what you would have received.
Yeah,
That's fantastic. And how about Facebook? I think you have around 90,000 followers on Facebook, right?
yeah, 90K plus I'm having right now.
Okay.
And the highest earning from the Facebook also last month only I have earned it is $2,175.
$2,175 in Indian rupees around
One
uh,
lakh 72 something.
1,72,000,
Yeah.
right? And you also are generating from affiliate and other page as well. So what is your overall earning in a month maximum that you have got from all these platforms?
It's 3 lakh 10 plus something. 3
3
lakh 10.
lakh 10,000 plus by just creating videos.
Yeah. The same video.
Same videos. And
One,
it's the same videos that you put on YouTube also goes on Facebook, right?
yeah. One
And
video
yet,
only I give it in both the platform.
and yet that has also been generating great income. In fact, slightly higher revenue what you have been generating from YouTube as well.
Yes.
Good, good. So one most important thing that I always say in my community is like where as somebody who comes to Digital Achievers Hub, the idea is one who is going to have time and money freedom. Do you really have time and money freedom?
Of course, I have time and money freedom because whenever I wish to work, I'll do the videos. If I want to go on vacation, I'll take off for that. I'll schedule the videos and I'll just leave it. If I would have worked in the corporate or something, I used to give my time 9 to 5 fixed job. But here it is not like that. Whenever you want, you can create a content. Whenever you don't want, just upload the videos, schedule it, and you can take the off.
Good, good. So how many videos do you create in a week?
In a week, maximum I create 4 to 5 videos.
Now here comes the most important thing, right? While many people say that, okay, it is difficult to manage the household things and kids and the other things. How do you really manage your time? You said like you create anywhere around 4 to 5 videos per week. How do you manage your time? I think that is something that would certainly help all the viewers if they are watching on YouTube or Facebook or a part of the community. I think that is good. That is going to be a good understanding for them as well. How do you plan your day?
Managing is not a difficult, but we should have a passion to do the work. So
Okay.
managing it becomes difficult also. Morning 5:30, I just wake up. I'll finish all the household work and sending school kids to school. Till 9 o'clock, that work will be done. And after 9, once I get a free time, I'll make the videos. And that too within 1 o'clock, I have to finish that recording of the videos or whatever. And after that, one again busy schedule with the kids. When they go to sleep, and then I will do the editing of the videos. And then again, the household works. Many things will be there. Just we have to manage and do the work, and it will happen. Only
So,
thing, we should have the passion to do the work so that it will be easy for us to manage everything.
so its first thing is passion, something that you should really love doing that. Unless
Yeah.
you love doing that, it is not possible. If you want to share 3 things that helped you to achieve that subscribers, okay, what would be the 3 things that you want to share?
3 things to achieve the subscriber, I can say that the consistency, what we are doing, the
Hmm.
uploading, and the feedbacks, what we are getting from the Digital Achievers Hub through the
Okay.
weekly webinars. We used to get the updates and
Okay.
the right way to do the things.
Okay.
So everything what I got is from the Digital Achievers Hub only.
Okay. Thank you.
Just follow the Digital Achievers Hub step by step. You will be succeed.
Would you recommend somebody to be part of Digital Achievers Sub community? Maybe they are just beginners with YouTube who don't know anything, or they might be somebody who is already existing YouTuber but struggling to get views, subscribers, and earning.
Yes, of course, I would love to recommend because this community has helped me a lot, the Digital Achiever Hub course, because I was also a beginner at the starting. I was also thinking whether to invest the money in this or no. Even though the course price was there, but even I thought, whether it is worth to invest the money. Will I get the succeed? Will I do the work properly? So many things will be going around when you start your YouTube journey. So I would suggest, don't think of anything. If you are passionate in doing the work, what you want, you will get a success. But it takes a little time for some people, and for some people, it may come very early. As an example, beginning, I thought whether to invest it or no, but right now I am standing and I am earning. The last month earning for me was 3 lakh. So that day, the decision what I made is very worth it. So I would love to tell you people, don't think of the course money, whatever it is. If you want to do, or if you have the passion in the work, what you want to do, just go for it so that you can get the success very soon.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that. What is your overall earning from all the platforms since you joined our community?
So the overall earning since I joined the community, the overall earning is about 13 lakh just in 2 years.
That's fantastic. Great to hear that. In fact, if you average that, it is more than 50,000 rupees every single month as a passionate homemaker as well.
Yeah.
So
Right.
good, 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 good. What are the 3 things that you really love about our community?
The 3 main things what I love about this community is, first thing is the structure of the course, the step by step things, whatever is explained in that. That is the first one. And the second is the motivation what I get from you. The,
Thank you.
there should be some role model. So I have a person so that I can just follow that person. And the third thing, what I love about this is the group what we have. So that whatever the queries we have will be answered in just one within an hour, I think. We have that kind of community, and also the webinars what you give. So we'll be getting the updates, whatever the YouTube is given. So I just love the community also and the course.
Thank you. If there is one thing that you want to say for the aspiring YouTubers, okay, what is that one thing that you want to share?
Just one thing I can say, that be consistent and have a patience. So you will get succeed.
Thank you, Gayatri, for sharing this. Is there anything else that you want to share?
I just tell that be consistent and love doing the job, and just work on the thing what you would like to. Not like someone is saying do this and you will not get success. But whatever you love to do, or whatever you are having the passion, so you will get a success in that early, very, very early you will get.
Thank you. Thank you very much for sharing that. That was Gayatri from Bangalore, who has over 1.5 lakh subscribers on YouTube and 90,000 followers on Facebook. If you want to check her channel, just click on the link below. If you're watching on YouTube or Facebook, certainly there is a link below that I have given where you can check out her channel as well. And again, I wish you lots of success, Gayatri, in your upcoming journey with the digital platform. I wish you to hit that million subscribers and million followers soon on the other platforms as well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. With that, if you have not already attended my free YouTube Masterclass, so just click on the link below and register and attend the next free YouTube Masterclass, where you are going to learn 3 powerful strategies on how you can grow your YouTube channel as well. So thank you and see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.